To use a virtual credit card with Union Bank, follow these steps. Log into Union Bank's online banking. Visit Union Bank's website or open the Union Bank mobile app. Enter your user ID and password to log into your online banking account. Access virtual credit card section. Once logged in, navigate to the credit card section. Look for options related to virtual credit cards or card services. Generate a virtual credit card. If you don't have one already, you can generate a virtual credit card from this section. Follow the prompts to set a spending limit and select the purpose for the card. After a successful generation, you will receive your virtual card details including the card number, expiry date and CVV. Use virtual credit card for online purchases. To make an online payment, enter the virtual card number, expiry date and CVV during checkout on the merchant's website, just like a physical card. Since the card is virtual, it is only usable for online transactions and is usually valid for a limited time or for a single transaction. Monitor transactions. You can track and manage transactions via Union Bank's online banking or mobile app, where you will see a summary of payments made with the virtual card.